How to schedule Instagram posts on Meta Business Suite. So first you'll need to open up your browser and head to business.facebook.com and make sure you're signed into your Meta or Facebook account. Go to the content tab on the left side menu and then click on create post, the blue button at the top right. Now basically click on the post to drop down, and from here you should be able to select your Instagram account. And if you don't see any account, that means you didn't connect one. Just click on connect Instagram and it will basically show this window. So just click on login into Instagram and click on continue. And once you've connected your Instagram account, you can click on the done button and you should be able to select it from the drop down like this. And then just simply write the text for your post. For example, hello. And then you can click on add photos or videos if you want to add media to your post. And it can't exceed 10 photos or videos per post. And under scheduling options, just enable it and set a time for when to post this. For example, tomorrow at 9 a.m. Can basically set it at 28. And if you want to share to threads, you can enable this option right here. And now once you're done, you basically need to hit the schedule button. Now keep in mind that for Instagram posts, you should select a photo or a video, otherwise you won't be able to post or schedule your post. So in this case, I have added a random photo, and then you can click on the schedule button and it should be, or start scheduling your post. It should take a while. And now if you go to the tab of the content, click on content right here, and then click on the scheduled tab. You should be able to see your scheduled posts, which is this one for Instagram. And to remove it, simply click on the 3 horizontal dots, manage post, and then delete post. And then click on delete, and that should remove your post. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.